Hello, hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSB, Physical Sciences, Silver Bullet, and it's me, Richard, here. Yes, we are still actually doing natural science with grade 9s. And the question says, the nervous system is made up of two major parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Okay, then the question says, name the two major parts of the central nervous system. Okay, so what are these two major parts forming the central nervous system? The two major parts are the brain and the spinal cord. So here we are. The statement says sensory organs serve to collect external information and transmit it to central nervous system for interpretation. Write the name of the 5 sensory organs. Okay. The 5 sensory organs which connect the external environment to the central nervous system. Here, allow me to use these mnemonics. I want you to remind you that it's very important as you progress in this field of science to know that whenever you have so many articles, the onus is on you to find out how to organize them for easy recording. Okay? Okay, let's start with the first one. The first one is the eye. Is the first sensory organ we see. Okay, then N comes. N will be our nose for smelling, so that we can know the smell of the environment. Next one is the ear for sound detection. Next one is the skin. Yes, skin detects the environment around so that you can tell whether it's hot, cold. Then lastly, it is the tongue. So these are the 5 sensory organs we know. And if you look at them, they tend to remind you something. You have to remember that we have 5 senses, and all the 5 senses are related to these sensory organs. One of the senses is seeing, which is done by the eyes. Smelling, done by the nose. Hearing, done by the ear. Feeling, done by the skin. Tasting, done by the tongue. Okay? Okay. Then comes this question. It says, name the sensory organ identified with each of the function below. Okay, the first one is smelling. Which organ performs the duty of smelling? We know it's the nose. Next one is tasting. Which organ is responsible for tasting? The answer is tongue. Next one is seeing. Which organ is performing the work of seeing? It is the eye. Which organ is responsible for hearing? That is the ear. And lastly, which organ is responsible for feeling? That one is the skin. Okay, then comes this question. It says, name any 4 health problems associated with nervous system. Okay, what are those medical issues which are associated with nervous system? There are several, but we can say stroke is one of them. Okay, there is failure to hear, which we call deafness. There is blindness. There is a forgetting, Alzheimer. There is that shivering, which is Parkinson's disease. So there are several. So let us put them down. So that is that. And with that, we would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet. Would like to thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Yeah, stay with us. You will not regret. See you next time. Bye-bye.